Your mission for today, set up an open house for you to completely shadow. In other words, find an agent that is in your market center or any of the other ones around you that's doing a good open house and is going to do it correctly. When I mean correctly, a mega open house, putting out the right number of yard signs, doing it in the right neighborhood, getting a lot of traffic into that open house. Not somebody that's going to just stick a yard sign in the corner and on the front yard and hope that somebody comes by, but somebody that's going to do it correctly. You volunteer to help the entire process, from setting it up to knocking on doors and saying hello to neighbors, to making phone calls and circle marketing, the open house, to setting up signs, all of it. You want to participate in every piece of it and shadow that so that you can see it, because you're going to be doing these, hopefully next weekend as well. So your mission for today, find the right agent that has the right open house that's going to conduct it correctly and offer your help to shadow and to help in any way possible for them to have a successful open house. All right, go find them. Have fun with this, because this can be a massive opportunity for buyers and sellers as well for you. All right, on you, go get it.